What's going on, guys? 68 Charger here. Welcome back to the page. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a sway bar for my 68 Charger. I decided to go with a Summit Racing sway bar, part number 72230. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'm currently in the middle of swapping in a crate motor. Before finishing up and installing the radiator, I wanted to go ahead and switch out this sway bar. I figured I'd have the clearance, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on that, switch it out real quick, and then I can put the radiator back on. One of the first things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this bolt right here, and there's another one right back there that you can see. So once I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and take off this lug nut right here, and then that way we can get the whole thing out of the way. There you have it, the difference between the old sway bar and the new one. I went ahead and pre-assembled everything, and I think I figured out how I'm gonna insert it in, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started first with the brackets, and then we can start installing these guys right here. These actually just open up, so you just put them in through here. I went ahead and put this on now. That way it makes it a little bit easier to bolt these on. So we're doing that side right now. Right at this point, the sway bar is on. We just need to bolt it on and tighten it, and then we'll be good to go. Sway bar is installed and ready to go.